Hello children. Children, today we are back with another interesting and very important chapter, which is genders. So children, on the basis of genders, noun is categorized into 4 parts. These 4 parts are, as we can see here, masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and here we have neuter gender. Now, why do we need to study about genders? Because genders help us to recognize something or someone's category. For example, nouns that denotes male characteristics are called masculine gender. For example, tiger, prince, son, king. These can be people or animals. Similarly, nouns that denotes female characteristics are called feminine genders. Feminine genders again can be people or can be animals as well. For example, tigress, which is an animal, princess, daughter, queen. These are all female characters. That's why we call them feminine genders. Next, we have common gender. Common gender is used for both male and female categories. It may include a female and a male as well. For example, parent, child, friend, doctor. A doctor can be a male or it can be a female. Similarly, a friend also can be a male or it can be a female. Now, the last gender we have is children. Neuter gender is used for the nouns that are neither male nor females, and these nouns can be living or non-living things. For example, we have a book, tree, house and stone. All these are examples of neuter gender, where we can see stone is non-living thing, book and house are also non-living things, but the tree we can see here is a living thing. So children, being living thing, trees fall under neuter gender because we do not categorize trees under male or female characters. Now children, based on the genders, we can replace the nouns with he, she, it in a sentence. These are pronouns. Now children, let's move on to the formation of feminine gender of a noun. How do we change a masculine gender into a feminine gender? Let's see here. The first method says we add simply ESS to masculine gender to make it feminine gender, to convert it or change it into feminine gender. For example, lion is a masculine gender and we add ESS to this to make it feminine gender. So lion is masculine, lioness is feminine gender. Similarly, we have other examples. We can see here, poet is masculine and poetess is feminine. God is masculine and when we add ESS to it, it becomes goddess, which is feminine. Host is masculine, hostess is feminine. Prince is masculine and princess is feminine. Waiter is masculine, waitress is feminine gender. Similarly, the priest is masculine and when we add ESS to this, it becomes priestess, which is a feminine gender. Actor is a masculine gender and actress is feminine gender. Duke is a masculine gender and duchess is a feminine gender. Similarly, we have the second method, which says the feminine of a compound noun is formed by changing that part which shows the gender. For example, grandfather. So here, grand is the word, but the father is the gender, which is a masculine gender. So we will simply change this word into feminine gender. So grandfather will become grandmother. This is how we change a compound word. Repeat. This is how we change the gender of a compound noun. Similarly, we have the example milkman. Milkman is a masculine gender and milkmaid is a feminine gender. Peacock. Peacock is a masculine gender and peahen is a feminine gender. We have simply changed cock into hen. Landlord is a masculine gender and landlady is a feminine gender. The next rule says many nouns have different words for the masculine and feminine genders. Means we do not change them, we have a separate word for them. For example, brother. Brother is a masculine gender, but sister is a feminine gender. Both are totally different words. Man is masculine and woman is feminine gender. Fox is masculine and vixen is feminine gender. Boy is masculine gender, girl is feminine gender. Similarly, bull is masculine and cow is feminine. Uncle is masculine gender and aunt is feminine gender. So children, that's how we form masculine and feminine genders. Genders are important to know because when we form a sentence, we place different words like nouns, pronouns. We replace nouns with pronouns. And how do we use pronouns if we do not have idea of genders? Because we place a pronoun in a sentence according to the nouns used in a sentence, and these nouns gender has to be known to us. So that's it for today, children. We learned about 4 different kinds of genders. See them again: masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. I hope you understood the chapter, children. That's it for today. We will see you in the next class. Till then, take care.